How to change contact email on Play Store fast and easy. Hello guys, in this video we'll show you how to change your contact email on Play Store fast and easy. First go to Play Store and then click on your profile here to go to settings, and now click this one, settings, and then click general, and now click this one, account and device preferences. Click on it, and now all you need to do is just click here, and now you can change your contact email, and then just click save. And that's today's video. If you like it, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.